Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. This video is regarding an update about inter paper correction and results. So regarding first year corrections, it is completed students and the second year correction has been started. Now second year papers need to be evaluated by 5th April. 5th April is the deadline for them, that is Saturday. So winding up of all the corrections should be completed by Saturday, and on 6th April, that is Sunday, scrutinizers and CEs will come and complete the rest of the work if there is any pending work, rectification of errors and so on. Since you know students that scrutinizers have been appointed 2 days late, teachers started correction on 21st and scrutinizers were appointed on 23rd. Then in between they gave holiday for Ugadi and for Eid 2 days. So total 4-day delay can be there. So we can expect by 8th or 9th April final checkings to be completed. There is no need to worry students whether you'll pass or not. Because in all the subjects, if the students are not able to pass, still the teachers are dragging, adding extra marks, grace marks and trying to pass the students. It's in very rare cases where the student is not even able to score 10 marks, 15 marks properly. Only such students might fail, but it is very rare, and most of the time, even after the teacher corrects, the scrutinizer checks, and then the subject expert will also re-evaluate only the failures papers, so that if any other possible way is there to pass the students, they will try. So mostly all are passing students, not to worry. So I'm trying to make videos, but I'm not getting the time actually, as almost it's 7:30 by the time I reach home, so it's getting extremely late. But for degree 6th semester and 4th semester, I'll try my best to upload as much as possible. And yes, students, for second year punctuations bit, 1 extra grace mark is given, and for pie chart, 4 marks will be given. The maximum you can score in English is 77 marks. 78 marks is only possible if your paper is flawless without any grammatical error. All the paperwork should be finished by 8th to 9th April. So the lecturer's work will be done, but the uploading part will take some time, students. So probably you can expect your result by the 3rd week. But if there is a delay in uploading the marks by the management, only then the 4th week.